Alright, here's a quick Vim tip for you. So in my sample website, I wanted multiple text fields. What I did was I copied one, then pasted it multiple times, but there is one issue. That's the string being passed into setMessage function that should be incremented, just like a count. The first one should be text field 1, then the second one should be text field 2, then the third one text field 3. Likewise, you should go through all the text fields and change all of them. Now, how do we do that in Vim? Well, there's an easy way. First, let's go to character number 1. Then we are going to hit Ctrl V to go to blockwise-visual mode. Ctrl V. Now we can select, just like in Windows CMD, we can go down like this and you can see these two are selected. Likewise, we are going to select all of them. So I'm going to first hit capital G to go to last line. Then I'm going to search for this number 1 here using question mark number 1. Then hit enter. Now we have selected all the number 1s in this buffer. Now we can increment using Ctrl A. That's going to change all the strings to 2. For example, if I hit Ctrl A now, you can see all of them are text field 2 now. That's not what we want, so let me undo that. Then I'm going to select the what we have selected before. There's a shortcut to that. That's GB. Now again we have selected all the numbers. Then what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to hit G capital A. Now you can see it has incremented or count, just like we are counting it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Likewise, we have up to 21. So simple as that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.